And that's where you
Caitlin, can you tell me about the coyotes in your yard? Do you have coyotes in your yard?
And the little boy.
Yes, and what do they do?
Fight with animals and dogs.
They fight with animals and dogs?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, and do you have rabbits in your yard? And what do the rabbits do?
Well, to study that to a turtle.
The rabbit does something to the turtle?
Yeah.
What does the rabbit do to the turtle?
Study back the turtle.
Oh, okay. I didn't get that. Wow. Okay. Wow. And let's see what else. And maybe you could get this. And do you have? And how about wolves? Do you have wolves in your yard?
Wolf and coyote.
The wolf is the coyote?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. And does?
Hyena.
You have hyenas?
Yeah.
Wow.
Monkeys.
Monkeys there too? Do they make noise at night?
Yeah.
And when you're sleeping, do they wake you up?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness gracious. And what other... Now, I understand that sometimes you have raccoons. Hyenas?
Hyena taking my raccoon.
The hyenas are chasing your raccoons? Wow.
My hyenas. My hyenas. My hyenas.
Hyenas? They run?
Hyenas run.
They do? Are they fast?
How they fast? Canine teeth.
They have
big canine teeth.
They have big canine teeth?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Big canine
Like yours?
And they're big canine teeth and they bite my coyotes.
The hyenas bite the coyotes?
My hyena bite my coyotes.
Whoa.
They're big coyotes.
Oh, really?
And big coyotes bite.
Wow, no kidding. Wow.
And my bunny rabbit ate my little coyote.
The bunny rabbit ate a little coyote?
Yeah.
Oh my
My
god.
bunny rabbit ate my big wolf.
By the werewolf?
Yeah.
There's a werewolf there too?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
And my werewolf bite my big coyote.
The werewolf bit the big coyote, I see.
My coyote there.
The rabbits did what?
Well, why?
The rabbits cry?
I need to bite my duck.
They bite the duck?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, the hyenas bite the duck. Wow, gosh, there's a lot of animals.
And I can see. And bunny rabbit bite my little rabbit.
Oh my goodness.
My hyena bite my rooster.
The rooster? The hyena bit the rooster?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Caitlin, that's terrible.
And
Did you hurt him?
Yeah. Grandpa. Yeah. I saw a goose eating my bunny.
The goose ate the bunny. Wow, boy, that sounds scary over there.
My goose eating my bunny.
You saw the goose eating the bunny too?
Yeah.
Wow.
I saw a goose. Grandpa.
The goose ate the hyena?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Grandpa. Grandpa